Gravity protocol is a network that will provide interoperability solutions into chains. In this video, I will explain the basic entities of the network and show a quick demo. First, let me explain the basic concept of Gravity network and the main entities in it. The main idea is that there is a collection of data sources, like some off-chain data from Huobi, Binance or any other external APIs, and also data from different chains. Gravity network needs to provide this data from external sources, from data sources into target chains. There will be many target chains, but as for now, the two that are finally approved are Waves and Ethereum. Both of them can use data from Huobi, Binance and all other chains. To implement this, in Gravity there are so-called nebulas. For each data feed and for each target chain there is a nebula. Data feed can be the price of any coin or a simple data from smart contract. To make this nebula work, there are nodes. Each node can be connected to a nebula and work with it. We need a collection of nodes for each nebula to implement the true decentralization, because it wouldn't be good if only one node would provide data from external source to the target chain. We need many of them to create a true decentralization and transparency. Here we see the list of nebula. In demo there are only two of them, and both are working with Binance and Huobi to parse the data about BTC USD course. They are two different nebulas because one of them puts data into Waves chain and another into Ethereum chain. Here you can find the additional information about the nebula, for example, the list of the nodes that are working with it. Also, you can see the subscription fee. This is how much the apps will need to pay to use the data from this nebula. Now let's see the list of the nodes. It's pretty simple. We see the names of nodes, some about text, its gravity score from 0 to 10, the deposit chain. It's a chain where node locked the initial amount of tokens. It's important to understand that in Gravity there are no native tokens, so everything is operated with tokens locked in the target chains. Also, in the top of the dashboard you can see the total amount of nodes, total amount of pulses. That's an amount like how much times was the data put into blockchain, and actually the amount of data feeds. This is BTC to USD data feed, only one at the moment. But in the future there will be much more data feeds and much more target chains. And of course there will be many interesting applications. For example, cross-chain token swaps, oracles and many other solutions. So subscribe to the channels of Gravity. I will leave links below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.